to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Snap and Snapd in CentOS 7. I will talk about what it is, its advantages, and how to use it. But before we start, if this is your first time in the channel, I invite you to take a look at the channel playlist, where you will find a lot of free tutorials for Jenkins, Docker, AWS, Terraform, Ansible, SonarQube, security, Bash, and more. Okay, let's start with what is Snap. Snap is a package manager. It was created by Canonical and it was originally designed for Ubuntu. But now we can use it in another operating systems to manage packages. One of the advantages of use Snap is that it is bundled most of the libraries and runtimes it needs, and it can be updated and reverted without affecting the rest of the system, which means that it will not use any library or any other resource from the local system. Everything will be contained in a single bundle, and it can be removed, updated, installed easily. Okay, let's talk about the difference between Snap and Snapd. Well, Snap is the command, is the CLI, but Snapd is a daemon, which is an interface to the REST API to all the packages or the package manager to install it. So we need to install the Snapd before we can start using the Snap. Okay, let's start with a basic yum install Apple release to get all the there is a typo here, install. Okay, let's wait for this to install or update if any. Okay, it's already installed in the latest version, so let's move on to install a plugin. Yum install yum plugin copper. Okay, I'll wait for this to be installed. It's only a few kilobytes. Okay, after that I'm going to use this copper enable Gompa snap core L7. I'm going to enable and add the repository for Snap into my CentOS system. I'm going to say yes. Okay, it's now installed. The repository, I mean. Now let's install the package snapd, well, the daemon actually. Okay, I will wait for this and it will get all the dependencies it needs. Okay, let's enable the socket with systemctl enable now snapd snapd.socket. Okay, it just created a symlink to make it available. Finally, I need to create a soft link from var leaf snapd snap to root. Okay, let's see if this works. Help. Okay, as you can see, Snap is now installed, and now we can use it to install another dependencies or another packages on a very easy way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.